Hello everyone, we are from DJ Venture Projects. Today we want to show you unboxing of the foldable laptop or study table. So let's begin. This is the table we received from Amazon 6 days after ordering. Now we will show what are the parameters that we have checked before ordering. Actually, I was looking for a white colored laptop table. I need a multi-purpose table that can be used for laptop or even study, reading and maybe some other purposes also. So I checked for all these tables which is suitable, has good reviews, lowest price and fitting all the criterias. So after checking all these items, I made my choice to iconic multi-purpose study table. The price is rupees 1199. This table does not have reviews because the manufacturer just launched it. I saw the specifications and this table look hard, big, perfectly fit all my work. So I booked this table. Now after receiving, if we talk about packaging, this is not that good. Some places got punched, probably in transportations. Hope there is no damage to inside materials. We'll cut this packaging in a way so that even after opening these materials, this package can also be used. We will not just destroy it. So cutting from this side, it is always good to do things in right way. This is our table. So there is thermocol sheet. We will measure it. The length side is 62 centimeter, approximately around 2 feet. The width side is 41 centimeter, approximately 1 feet 4 inches. We need to remove the plastics from this part. So this side is okay if we even do not remove the plastics. So this is the table. The height is 28 centimeter, that's 11 inches, close to 1 feet. Mostly strength and stability of this board is very good. That's why I bought this material. You can have multiple options in Amazon or Flipkart or in multiple websites. Uh, the main thing is that when I put the laptop here, okay, and I work here, it should not have instability, like you cannot concentrate. So my primary consideration is that it should have stable enough and it should be a little bit heavy so that when I do the work, I can concentrate properly. Okay. Now this part is for clipping. Okay, but here you can see some rust is there. Okay, so probably for this I will review it and give one less star in Amazon. Apart from this item, I mean, this is okay. Rusting is also a little bit okay. It will function properly, and the board is very good. That's what I am seeing. Okay, and I can use it not only as a laptop table. I can use it for any other purpose also. Okay, like I want to show something here so that I can have a white background. Okay, and this is a 3-ply, solid 3-ply thickness construction. That's what they have made it. And this is just a table. What I feel that in this table easily one child can sit. It is that strong enough. Okay, yeah, and this 3 sticks of different color, that's also, it's okay. Okay, and this board is fully full of white. There is no other color. Actually, I like to have it as white. I Yeah, they have given some small blocks here. Okay, and now you can open it to tilt this material. Okay, let's see how it is done. So you can open this material. Okay, so here they put some kind of blocks. So first we have to cut this plastic in this region. Okay, we have to cut it properly, otherwise this material gets damaged. Okay. So here it is done. So if you want very less tilt, then you can rotate in this way. If you want more tilt, so you can rotate in this way. So I will do that with more tilt, and so it is little bit here. Okay, whatever you like. And if I do this much, will it have any feeling? Not that much. Okay. So this much tilt is not that proper, and here it is. Okay. So here actually we have little magnet here. Okay, so that it is attracting. Okay, and it gives the stability. Okay. And if I want to use it as only a board, I have to unscrew this 4 screws, and I can do that very well. So guys, you can see.
So guys,
This
you
laptop
can
table is
see
quite
this
big.
laptop table is quite
And
big. So I can show you after placing one laptop
that
how much
space
space is available.
So if I place
This is standard 15.6 inch laptop.
15.6-inch laptop.
You can see
Okay.
that I can
So-
work and I have good space.
You can see that I can work and I have a good space. Even I can keep some diaries or something like that here. Okay, so even I can, if you move, so I have good space also in front side. Now let's keep some books and diaries. Let's see how much space I have. See, you can see that I have very good space. Yeah, and if I put some books, diaries, and whatever I am having, you are seeing that it's pretty good space. And also, you can write on this board if you want to show something. I will show you something written like okay, here you can draw, and like a whiteboard you can use it, and if you unscrew the screws you can hang it. Okay, so that you can show something if you are discussing, or you are making some decisions, so you can use it as a board or table. Okay, and this is quite strong, so I think this is a very good product.
This product is made of ply, so we need to keep it out of water, especially from rainwater. Do not store somewhere like balcony etc where it can be soaked. When I ordered this material, there was no reviews. After ordering it, I have seen many negative reviews of this product. Though what product I received is good, probably others didn't receive the same. Therefore, we mentioned other parallel products which has good reviews in the description box. If you think if any other details are required, please do comment and we will address it. So please do subscribe and click on bell icon if you want to see more interested project and detailed unboxing reviews videos. Thank you and bye bye for now.